Good morning children, how are you all? So now here we are in which lesson? We are in changes around us. So in which season we are now? In winter season. We are facing winter, isn't it? In north side we are they are facing severe winter season. Severe winter is there, snowfall is there, the temperature is even going below 0 degrees. Minus Jammu and Kashmir, isn't it? Minus it is. So here, according to the season, our lifestyle also will change, isn't it? In winter season, now this is the winter season. Have you seen the people, those who are living in the northern side, they are facing severe winter there. So what is their lifestyle? They are covering their body fully with the warm clothes. Monkey caps, they kept gloves, even long coats are there, sweaters are they wearing, isn't it? Shawls are wearing there. And what type of, so along with the dresses, we need the food also, we change the food habits also. We want to take hot tea, hot coffee, isn't it? And hot food. This is our lifestyle. Our lifestyle also will change according to the season. When you come to summer season, our lifestyle completely change. We like to wear loose fitting cotton clothes, light colored clothes we like to wear, and we like to take more cool drinks, we like to take ice creams more, isn't it? Our food habits also will be changed. Cold drinks will take in the summer season. So in this way you have seen this. Comparing duration of day in December and May. Everyone is aware of this. December, this is a January month. This is a January month. Compare this sunrise and sunset. December and May, here sunrise is given for you day one, only for some I will write. The sun rises at 6:29 a.m. morning it is, and the sun sets at, what is the time? 17:40 means what is the time it will be? 5:40. In the year 551 to 1836, sunset is late. Sunrise also, sunrise is early and sunset is late. Here sun rises 6:29 the sunrise, late it is. Set is early. You are seeing these changes in December and May month, isn't it? So you are seeing these changes here. The sunrise will be late and sunset will be early. So what you understand by here is that in winter season the days are shorter and nights are longer. Days are shorter. Very early it becomes dark during winter season. December month or January month you are seeing now. Now here in the May month, the hot sun will be there, very hot sun will be there. Isn't it? Hot summer will be there. Sun rises early and sunset late. And here the days are longer and the nights are shorter. Days are longer, nights are shorter. So here the sun rises exactly in the east in all direction, in all seasons. No, slight change will be there in the sunrises and sunset, isn't it? So here when you see the shadows of the objects during the summer season and winter season, early morning when the sun rises, your shadow will be longer because of the sun rays are slanting. The sun rays will be slanting, so the shadows will be longer in the morning and evening times. At noon, the sun rays directly fall on our head, so the shadow of the object is smaller, shorter. It will be shorter. So now here we will see the indicators and the causes for the change. Indicators here already I will discuss. Already we have discussed this. Already we discussed the change of milk into curd. Already we have discussed, and here we will see the change. Indicators of change. Indicators of change and causes of the change. Causes. What are the causes of the change? Changes which takes place. Now change from milk to curd. What are the indicators? converts into curd. When milk converts into curd, what changes you are observing? What you are seeing? State. That is liquid to semi-solid state you have observed. Taste. Little bit sour in taste. Isn't it? Smell also. Sour smell you will get it. The change of smell also you will observe. What are the changes? Here causes of the changes. What you are doing? You are adding a small quantity of curd in warm milk, lukewarm milk. You are adding little quantity of curd in that. What is present in the curd which helps in converting milk into curd? That is bacteria is present which helps in converting milk into curd. What is the name of that bacteria? Lactic acid bacteria is present which help in converting milk into curd. These bacteria multiply in number. Fastly it multiplies and helps in converting milk into curd. Understood? This changes. Change in seasons. Next, change in seasons. What are the indicators helps in changing? Just now explain you. Just now explain you. Change in dress we wear. According to the season, we wear the dresses. In summer season, can you wear, what do you say, sweaters, monkey caps you keep? No. So, according to the seasons, we change the dress. According to the season, we take we take the food also. According and the season, this air also. In winter season, you feel cool air. Isn't it? In summer season, hot air will be there, very hot air. And drinks also, food and drinks also will be changed. In winter season, we take hot tea or coffee. In summer season, we like to take cold drinks more, isn't it? And fruits. We take more watermelons. According to the seasons, we get fruits also. So, everyone should have the seasonal fruits also, isn't it? Even the flowers also. According to the season only, you will get even the flowers. So, for example, in the winter season, you get marigold, chrysanthemum flowers more. In summer season, you get jasmine, isn't it? So, these changes you will observe according to the season. Fruits also. In summer, you get mango. In summer, you get more mango. In winter season, you get custard apple. Isn't it? These changes, even in the vegetables also you will see. The vegetables also you will see the changes. Now, this is a season of green peas, you will get more. Now, duration of day also. In a winter season, the duration of the day is shorter and nights are longer. Isn't it? And in summer season, duration of day is more, lengthier, and nights it is shorter. Okay, now here causes of the change, slight change in the direction of the sunrise. Slight change in the direction of the sunrise. Okay, so these are the changes which you have observed, indicators and changes. Now compare the changes. Yeah, compare the change of milk to curd with change of season. Here say, milk to curd, maximum it will take 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours. Change of season, every 4 months the season will be changed. Every 4 months the seasons will be changed. Now here you have to tell me, see, which change is fast and which change is slow here. Change of milk to curd is fast change. And change in seasons is slow change. Now you can take another example. Here it is a fast change. Now bulb, electric bulb on and off. Now here compare these changes with the milk and conversion of milk to curd. Now here conversion of milk to curd is a slow change compared to this. Bulb on and off is a fast change. It is a fast change. Isn't it? It is a fast change. So in this way, you can compare this. Comparison, you can compare this. Some changes are slow changes, some changes are fast changes. And here you will see some changes are permanent changes, some changes are temporary changes, some changes are slow changes, some are fast changes. Some changes are natural, some are man-made changes. These changes which you are seeing here, it is a natural change. Change in season is a natural change and milk to curd is a man-made change. It is a man-made change. Next other changes we will discuss in next class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.